Like I didn't have tea for the last 3 days, and there's no lack of energy, and I'm feeling very good. Overall experience of this retreat was very good. I really enjoyed my 3-day program here, and all the aspects of nature cure and wellness were taught in detail, and all the queries were handled very professionally, and therapies we had were very good. All the therapies we had, and the food was excellent. Menu planning and the taste of the food and the way it was presented, it was very good. Yes, I'm feeling more energetic, and a lot of things have started changing in my life. Yes, I definitely am going to recommend this to my friends and family members, and I also want them to know more about nature cure and have wellness in their life. It is definitely a value added program, and everyone should do it.